Hello, children. Welcome to the history class. Now, let's start chapter number 1, that is Evolution of Mankind. Human evolution is the lengthy process of change. The change of ape like ancestor to the modern human being is called the evolution of mankind. This evolution took over a period of approximately 6 million years. It is said that the first human like creatures appeared on the earth's surface about 5.6 million years ago. ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन मीन्स मानवता का विकास. इट वॉज अ लेंथी प्रोसेस, यानी कि बहुत ही स्लो और ग्रेजुअल प्रोसेस था. एंड इट टुक अप्रॉक्सीमेटली लगभग, और इसको लगभग लगे 6 मिलियन ईयर्स फ्रॉम changing from the ape-like ancestor to modern human being. It took approximately 6 million years. And it is said that the first human-like creature appeared on the earth's surface about 5.6 million years ago. तो ऐसा माना जाता है कि ह्यूमन जैसा दिखने वाला पहला जो क्रीचर था वो हमारे अर्थ सरफेस पे अबाउट it was appeared about 5.6 million years ago. And one of the earliest defining human traits, और पहली जो ह्यूमन लाइक क्वालिटी थी, इट वॉज द एबिलिटी टू वॉक ऑन 2 legs, कि वो अपने दोनों पैरों पे चल पाते थे. इवॉल्व ओवर 4 million years, and this happened 4 million years ago. अदर इम्पॉर्टेंट ह्यूमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, इसके अलावा जो और ह्यूमन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं वो क्या थे, सच एज दे वर हैविंग लार्ज एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स ब्रेन, the ability to make and use tools, and the capacity for language developed more recently. They were having complex brain, they were capable of making tools, and they were using tools made of stones, and they were having their own language. उनकी अपनी भाषा थी जो कि बहुत बाद में recently it was developed. And however, modern humans originated nearly 1,60,000 years ago. और ऐसा माना जाता है जो मॉडर्न ह्यूमंस थे उनका ओरिजिन लगभग 1,60,000 साल पहले हुआ. तो ड्यूरिंग दिस लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री, ह्यूमन बीइंग गॉट फूड बाय ईदर गैदरिंग प्लांट प्रोड्यूस और हंटिंग. और अपने इस लंबे जर्नी में, ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री के इस लंबे जर्नी में जो हमारे ह्यूमंस थे ये मेनली फूड गैदरर्स थे. They used to gather food, plant. After some time they start producing the food and they were hunting animals. Our understanding regarding early human history has become more precise with the discoveries of human fossils, bones, stone, tools, cave paintings, etc. और हमारी जो नॉलेज है रिगार्डिंग द ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री, इस ह्यूमन हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड ये और एक्यूरेट हो जाती है आफ्टर द डिस्कवरी ऑफ ह्यूमन फॉसल्स, यानी कि ह्यूमन फॉसल्स के डिस्कवरी यानी खोज के बाद, आफ्टर द फॉसल्स लाइक बोन, स्टोन, टूल्स, केव पेंटिंग्स, आफ्टर द डिस्कवरीज ऑफ ऑल दीज थिंग्स, our understanding becomes more precise about the human history. And in the beginning, several scholars did not accept these fossils as the remains of the early humans. और शुरुआत में जो बहुत हमारे वैज्ञानिक थे, दार्शनिक थे, they did not accept these fossils. उन्होंने इस fossils को स्वीकार नहीं किया. They did not accept these remains of early humans. And in fact, but over a period of time the real importance of these discovery was understood, but later on they realized the importance of these discoveries. Fossils are the remains or impressions of a prehistoric plants, animals or human which have changed into stones. Fossils क्या हैं? They are the अवशेष, remains that are buried deep into the rocks, under the rocks, or plants, or the remains of the animals or the humans that have changed into the stone, जो कि अब जो है वो stone के रूप में बदल चुके हैं. It is the impression of all those remainings, and generally these fossils are embedded in the rocks and remain preserved for millions of years. और embedded होने की वजह से, उसमें फिक्स रॉक के अंदर फिक्स होने की वजह से, and took रिमेन प्रिजर्व्ड, और ये कई साल से, कई लाख साल से वहाँ पर सुरक्षित हैं. द स्टोरी ऑफ ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशन इज़ नॉट ओनली लॉन्ग बट ऑल्सो वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. और ये जो कहानी है, द स्टोरी ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशंस की, मानवता के विकास की, इट इज़ नॉट ओनली लॉन्ग, ये केवल लंबी ही नहीं है बल्कि बहुत ही कठिन, जटिल भी है. इट्स अ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड टू, एंड ड्यू टू द न्यू फाइंडिंग्स एंड रिसर्चेस इट लीड्स टू द रिविजन्स एंड द मॉडिफिकेशंस. और धीरे धीरे नई खोज के ज़रिए इट लीड्स टू अ रिविजन्स एंड मॉडिफिकेशंस, इसमें काफ़ी चेंजेस और बदलाव आते हैं. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ द फॉसल्स ह्यूमन एवोल्यूशंस कैन बी क्लासिफाइड एज अंडर. और इन फॉसल्स के बेस पे जो भी व्हाट आर द फॉसल्स फाउंड फ्रॉम द excavated, these human evolutions can be classified as under given here. First one is Homo habilis, they were the tool makers. Then Homo erectus, they were the upright man. And Homo sapiens, they were the wise or thinking man टू विच ऑल द प्रेजेंट डे ह्यूमन बींग्स बिलोंग. यानी कि आज के प्रेजेंट समय पे जितने भी ह्यूमन बींग्स हैं, दे ऑल बिलोंग टू द होमो सेपियंस. नाउ सोर्सेस, एविडेंसेस ऑफ एवोल्यूशंस ऑफ मैनकाइंड. एंड व्हाट आर द सोर्सेस एंड व्हाट आर द एविडेंसेस ऑफ द एवोल्यूशंस ऑफ मैनकाइंड. टूल मेकिंग was possible due to the great memory and skills. टूल मेकिंग, जो उनके औजार बनाने के जो क्वालिटी थी, just because of their great skill among the early humans. They were having great memory and they were having great skill. They were more perfect. And among the early humans, the earliest evidences shows that the stone tools makers were both women and men. और ऐसा कहा जाता है कि जो अर्लियर एविडेंसेस थे, जो पहले के जो हमारे एविडेंसेस थे, प्रूफ थे, इससे ये साबित होता है कि जो टूल मेकर्स थे ये दोनों ही थे, वो वुमेन और मेन, दे बोथ वर द टूल मेकर्स. ड्यूरिंग द पैलियोलिथिक पीरियड the primitive stone tools and equipments were made and used. And in a primitive period relating to the early stone age, all the tools made of stones and equipments were made of stones and they were used. And early human beings began to use caves and open air site to live approximately 4 lakh years ago. और ऐसा कहा जाता है कि अर्ली ह्यूमन बींग जो थे, उन्होंने अपने रहने के लिए दे स्टार्टेड लिविंग इन द शेल्टर ऑफ द केव्स एंड दे लिव्ड इन द ओपन एयर ऑल्सो, ओपन एयर साइट approximately 4 lakh years ago. Archaeologists have found their evidences from sites in Europe. And how the archaeologists came that they were living in the caves. From the evidences found from the sites of the Europe, they came to know that the early humans were living in the caves. And hundreds of the paintings of the bison, horses, deer, rhino, lions, panthers, bear, hyenas, owls, etc. have been discovered in France and Spain. And the early human beings made the paintings in the caves. They were mostly of the bison, horses, deer, rhino, lions, panthers, bear, hyenas, owls. All these were discovered in the France and Spain, and in some caves archaeologists found evidences of the earth and different food sources. Several other changes occurred due to the farming and pastoralism. और कुछ और जो changes बदलाव आए they after the farming and pastoralism, when they started cultivating, they started agriculture and they started taming the animals. Example, making of pots to store grains and other produce. So when they started agriculture, they started producing the food crops and they start making pots for the storage of the grains. Now here you can see the chart is given here. Evolution of mankind. Now here the time period is given here, years ago, and the evidences, whatever the evidences found in these time period. Now let's quickly read some important terms of the history. They are, first one is evolution. What is evolution? Evolution is the process by which different kind of living organisms are thought to have developed and diversified from their earlier forms during the history of the earth. The next is prehistoric, relating to the period before written records. Ambit, to fix an object firmly and deeply in surrounding of mass. Paleolithic, relating to the early phase of the Stone Age. It lasted nearly 2.5 million years. In this age, stone tools were made by humans. Primitive, relating to an early stage. Hearth, the floor of a fireplace. Pastoralism, grazing of sheep or cattle. Archaic is very old. Now the chapter completes. Come to the multiple choice question. The first one is, human-like creature appeared on the earth's surface about. So the right answer is 5.6 million years ago. The next one is, modern human beings originated nearly. The right option is 1,60,000 years ago. Then the next one is, human beings got food by either. The correct option is gathering plant produced. Next is, fossils are the remains or the impressions of a prehistoric. The correct answer is plant. And the last one is, the earliest evidences shows that the tool makers were. The correct answer is women. Actually it is both men and women. This one is correct. Now come to the next exercise. Question answer we will be doing in copy. Later on we will provide you the notes from our school. Now let's come to the exercise. Next one is, that is, read the following statement carefully and mark correct on the true and wrong on the false one. So the first one is, the first human-like creatures appeared on the earth's surface 1000 years ago. So it's a wrong. Fossils are the remains of the prehistoric plant, animals or human. This one is correct. Fossils are embedded in the clouds. No. Homo erectus was a tool maker. No. Early men had a large and complex brain. Yes. Now come to the fill in the blanks. Here some hints are given and you have to choose the correct option out of those. The first one is, our understanding regarding human history has become more precise with the discoveries of. So the correct answer is human fossils. Dash are the remains of a prehistoric plant, animal or human. So the answer is fossils. Fossils are the remains of the prehistoric plant, animals or human. The story of human evolution is not only long but also very complicated. Yes, the right answer is complicated. During the Dash period, primitive stone tools and equipments were made. During the Dash period, Paleolithic. The right answer is Paleolithic. Early humans began to use Dash to live approximately 4 lakh years ago. So the correct answer is cave. Now the last exercise is match the column. The first one is evolution of mankind is. So the correct option is D1. 2 lakh years ago. Homo habilis, they were the tool maker. This is the right option. Homo erectus, the upright man. Homo sapiens, the wise or thinking man. Development of voice box, very complicated. Now the chapter ends here. Children, you can do all these exercises in your books, and for the question answer we'll provide you notes that we'll be doing in your copy. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.